Good morning, Floyd here, oexoptions.com and bluechipoptions.com in our next lesson in point and figure charting. This is a stock that I showed you back in the last lesson on a classic 3-to-1 ratio. I've adjusted the ratio and I've made it 1-to-1. I've also adjusted some of the extra tools and I've put in only trend lines. Here's the trend lines in blue and in red, and the volume. I'll try to show you a little bit difference. If you'll compare back to the other chart, you'll see with a chart like this that it shows very simple, solid, rising trend lines consistently and higher ups each time. You can see a very solid resistance at 5. You can see it continue to move up. Notice how compared to the other chart, the dramatic downs don't show nearly as much, and the downs that occurred during the market crash of January through March of '09. They don't show nearly as dramatically. It's less noisy, and it shows you more the top at 11. What it doesn't show you in a chart like this is how much further the stock has moved up when you have a 3-in-1 chart compared to a 1-to-1. So at this, you can see that it is above. Here's a double top. It's 3 whole X's above a double top. It's showing very good signs of a breakout. You need to compare it though to see, is the volume increasing? It's not. How is it in comparison to its sector, the sector that semi-tool is in? I don't know. You'd have to study that. And you'd also have to do the chart in several other chart ratios for you to get a better view of how the stock actually shows in supply and demand.